Hello, Shadrach here, and this is Tech Essentials with Mr. Shadrach. So today we are going to be talking about a very popular and interesting topic many programming enthusiasts frequently ask when they want to start their programming journey. So the question is, do you need maths for programming? Well, yes. Actually, no. Maybe yes. I think no. Maybe. I think the right answer is it depends. So the question is in two ways. If you ask me, do you need to be good at math to become a programmer? I will straight away say no. But if you ask me in general that you need math for programming, I would say yeah, probably. So this is a question that often comes up when people are learning to code, and it's a valid one. So in this video, we will be exploring the relationship between programming and math and whether or not you need to be good at math to become a programmer. So most of the time, the person asking this question is either not so confident with math or does not like math at all, just like myself. But I surely know my 1 plus 1. I know 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Is it 3? Well, I think it's 2. Yeah. So let's start by answering the question directly. Do you need maths for programming? I think I would say yes, but to a very fine degrees. And let me explain why. So depending on the area of programming you are working in, the amount of maths required will differ. So for example, if you are working with web development or mobile app development, you need some math skills, but not as much as if you are working with data science, machine learning, or cryptography. So in web and mobile app development, you need to have a basic understanding of algebra and geometry to create layouts, work with measurements and proportions, and solve basic programming problems like calculating for prices of products. About 90% of a web developer's job wouldn't require all that complicated maths. So my experience as a front-end engineer is that 90% of the time I need maths are basic arithmetic and algebra skills. And about 98% of the time, I will Google for the answers. So being a good programmer is not only about what you know off the top of your head, it is also about the ability to be able to efficiently search for what you are looking for. So I would say 99% of the time, someone has faced a problem you are facing and has gotten an answer to it. So you just need to know how to search for the answers to the problem, and there are a lot of places to do that. I'm going to put some math problems on the screen. If you know the answers to these math problems, you probably have enough maths to be a web developer. On the other hand, if you are working with data science or machine learning, you will probably need a much deeper understanding of math concepts like calculus, linear algebra, and statistics. So let's take a closer look at some of the areas where math is essential for programming. One area where math is critical is algorithms and data structures. A solid understanding of math concepts is essential to analyze and design efficient algorithms and data structures. For instance, to implement a search algorithm, you need to know how to use mathematical equations to search for data efficiently. Another area where math skills are crucial is machine learning and artificial intelligence. To understand the underlying principles of machine learning and artificial intelligence, you need to know some statistics, linear algebra, calculus, and probability theory. These math concepts help you understand how data is processed and how algorithms work, which is essential in machine learning and artificial intelligence. In graphics and game programming, math is used extensively for tasks such as rendering 3D objects, creating physics engines. Math concepts like geometry, trigonometry, and linear algebra are crucial to create the visual effects we see in games and simulations. Finally, in cryptography and security, math is essential to understand concepts like modular arithmetic, probability theory, and number theory. If you want to create a secure encryption algorithm or crack an encrypted message, you would need a deep understanding of math. So I would say these are some areas in programming that require some good math skills. But even with that, you don't need to be a math genius to be able to do this. There are lots of libraries that has been built by people, by teams that you can use in your program to achieve a lot of these concepts. Also, if you are someone who is afraid of maths and doesn't like a lot of maths, like most of us, you don't need to enter into any of these fields. You can enter into other programming fields like web development, just like I mentioned earlier, which doesn't need heavy maths. So in conclusion, while you don't need to be a maths genius to learn programming, having a solid foundation in math is essential, especially for more advanced topics. However, it is important to remember that you can always learn math alongside programming. You don't have to be an expert mathematician to become a great programmer, but having some math knowledge will definitely give you an edge in the programming world. So if you are thinking of learning to code, don't be intimidated by math. It is just another tool in your programming toolbox that will help you create better programs. So what do you think about this question? If you're a programmer, I want to know your opinion on this question. Do you think math is essential in your field? You can put your comments in the comment section below. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and then share. And I will see you in the next video.